Hi, Chef Marianne here at the Hunnel House. Going to be doing some baking today with the Florida blueberries in season. Thought it would be great to do my favorite bread made with the blueberries. So to start off, you need all of your ingredients. And what I like to do is I like to have everything at room temperature. So I usually start scaling everything out about an hour ahead of time. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is mix your sugar along with your butter into the mixing bowl. And then you're going to mix that for a couple minutes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add your flour mixture. Now remember, your flour mixture is going to also have your baking soda and your baking powder and your salt. And then what you do is you continue to mix. You do not want to over mix it because then you'll overwork the glutens and it doesn't rise as well. Okay, and then what will happen is you'll have a batter like this. It's a really nice pliable batter, not overworked. And then what you're going to want to do is fold in your blueberries. Now what I like to do is I like to smash 2 cups of blueberries. It makes about a cup of blueberries. And then what you're going to do is gently fold in the mixture. Once again, you don't want to overwork it. You want a nice batter, but you don't want to have it too well blended. And see how nice these blueberries are, just so wonderful. These, of course, are from Plant City. All right, and then what you do is you take your baking tin, and you always want to make sure you flour it and put a little grease and flour or use a spray. And then what you'll do is you'll put your batter into the mix. Look how nice that looks. Oh. Okay. And then I like to just tap it a little bit, put it on my baking pan, and then what you'll do is you'll put it in your preheated oven, 350 degrees. You'll set it for about 50 minutes, and in 15 minutes, voila, you have this beautiful bread, freshly made in your own kitchen. And from our house to your house, bon appetit.